Good morning, everyone. So, how has it been? Doing numbers, countings, skip countings? Enjoy it? Okay. So now today we are going to do the same concept that we did in the first class. But what's the difference? We are going to do place value. There's one more concept, but first I just want to do place and place value. Suppose I have this number 6, 4, 2, 5. If you remember in the notebook also, and every time whenever we are writing a number, we do write on top the places. It will become easy for us to get the right answer. So here I want you to tell me the place value. Do you remember? This is the same thing that we did in our first class. But what's the difference over here? Our new place value. New place. Thousands. So now place and place value of 5, 2, 4 and 6. Place of 5, ones. And here this time I am not going to show the multiplication. Now you are in a habit, you know what the answer will be, what the product will be, even if I don't write it. So here I will write directly the value of that particular number. Here 2, the place of 2 is tens and its place value is 20. The place of 4 is hundreds and its place value is 400. The place of 6 is thousands and the place value is 6,000. So here you go. It's the same that we did, and the only difference, new addition, is our thousands place. It's pretty easy. So now I would like to tell you about my new concept, the addition over here, face value. Don't get scared of this new addition. That's only face value. If you look at your face in the mirror, what's your face value? Your name, your identity. If I look at the mirror, what is my face value? Apurva. So here, if I take the same example over here, this is digit 5. So what's its face value? Its own identity, 5. What's the face value of this number? 6. Let's take one example over here. I have thousands. Be in a habit of writing the places before you write down the number. So here, let's take 8, 1, 3, 7. So here I am only going to tell you about the face value. Place and place value, you are thorough with these concepts. So here I am going to take only face value. But remember, in the question in assessments, we may ask you about place value and face value, all the three concepts together. So don't get confused. The way I have written over here, place value, in addition you will write face value. That's it. Let's move forward. What is the face value of this number? What is the face value of 7? 7. What is the face value of 3? Simple, 3. What is the face value of 1? You got it right, 1. What is the face value of 8? 8. This is it. Such an easy concept. You got it right, everyone. So the assignment attached to it will be based on these three concepts: place, place value and face value, with our new addition over here, new place, thousands. So this is the same assignment that you did in the first class, of this number system. So all the best. Bye.